What's happening, everybody? It's been a minute, but we're back in the shop. It's cold, and we got the slow season here, so we can make some videos. Here we are. We got the Kawasaki Z900 RS. I believe this is a 2019 model. Today we're going to put a center stand on this one, and I do have to do fork seals and a couple other things, but that'll be for another video. So we're just going to dive right into this. It is a Kawasaki OEM equipment. So should have no problems going on. You should be able to do this just at home with your basic tools you have at your house. You take it to your local shop and pay someone to get it done for you. All right, let's do it. Alright, so here's our parts breakdown. Tools you're going to need: 6mm Allen. I like to use an Allen socket, 17mm wrench, 10mm wrench, and some type of spring puller. I'm going to throw anti-seize where they require grease, and I'm going to throw a little bit of Loctite on these. They put some on your little angle feeler. Well, I like to put some on everything. It came with instructions, and if you're looking for a part number, here we are. You want to grab that. All right, first thing we're going to do is remove the left-hand rear set, 2 6mm. You don't got to worry about the linkage. You just got to get it out of the way so we can mount the bracket right here. You got 2 mounting holes. Throw a T-handle in here, just make things easier. There you have it. Left-hand rear sets off. We can get to our mounting point so we can attach our left-hand bracket. Here's your left-hand bracket with your rubber stopper attached. Now that we got our bracket on, we can go ahead and reattach our left-hand rear set. All right, we got the left-hand bracket on. Now we can move to the right-hand side. Now, should be able to get away with just removing this bottom bolt and loosening the top one. These are our 30mm mounting bolts. Should be able to just kick that out the way. So you can just remove the bottom bolt, loosen the top, and you can sneak right in there. Go ahead and reattach your bottom bolt. Tighten up the top. All right, next we're want to grab our collars, our nuts, bolts, Loctite, and anti-seize, grease, whatever we're going to use. We're going to grease these up, and then we're going to grease up the surface in here. All right, got to get everything greased up. I'm ready. So I just slid my bushing in here. One side going. Come on the other side. Get the bushing in. Come back to the other side. And you got 2 nuts on the back side. And I know I told you guys you needed a 17 mil wrench, but now that I'm in here doing this, 17 mil socket will be much better. Come back to the other side. Throw my nut on. All right, there you go. Everything's mounted up. You just got to get a spring on. And when you mount this up there, you want your long end towards the front. Bring it up. There you have it. Center stand. Looks mint. All right, so the last thing we got to do is get these feelers off. And look at that. They already put Loctite on for us. 10 mil wrench. All right, come to the other side. Do the same thing. Now all these are for is just to kind of let you know when you're getting a little too low. You know, start hitting things. All right, there she is. Kawasaki Z900 center stand install. I think I'll probably do a separate video on how to use a center stand. I see a lot of customers that don't even use their center stand just because they don't know how. So we'll get you guys up to speed on that if you're not sure on how to use a center stand properly. While you're at it, you might as well hit the like. Go ahead and boost these videos up in the algorithm. And if you own a Z900 or any motorcycle, power sport at that, you might want to subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Until next time.